Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and it looks like the next 10 days beginning with a decent shot for some rain later on tonight into your Thursday. Today we do have a little bit of rain out there, a few of those spotty showers popping up here and there. You can see the view from downtown Marshall mid-afternoon showing that mix of clouds and sunshine. We'll be watching a frontal system which is slowly going to be working its way towards the Arklatex here during the next 24 hours, and as this front moves in, we will see it bring some thunderstorms which could be strong, especially over the northern sections of the area. We will see that threat of rain gradually wind down as we go through the day Thursday. As far as severe weather, there is going to be a marginal severe weather risk actually marginal to slight. The latest outlook from SPC does show that risk with slight all the way down to I-20. It does appear as if the storms probably will be strongest over the northern sections of the area and will be weakening as they move to the south. And for Thursday, it does appear as if, again, that marginal risk will shift further to the south as the storms and the front both make some progress to the south and east. So let's take you through the next few days here with Robbins Toyota Futurecast. And you can see the spotty showers, which probably will wrap up here this evening as they did yesterday evening. Going through the night tonight, we'll see thunderstorms roll in from the north and west. You can see they will be rather strong as they approach I-30 towards sunrise tomorrow morning, a little bit after sunrise. And then you'll see the same trend that every run in with Futurecast yesterday showed of weakening as the storms progress their way into northwest Louisiana and east Texas. So definitely the farther north and west you live, more than likely the stronger the storms will be. And notice as we head into Thursday afternoon, the rain should probably decrease dramatically. Thursday night, we'll see a mostly cloudy sky, a very small chance for a shower. And Friday, most of us will stay dry with a slight chance for some rain, mainly over the western sections of the region. That chance of rain will continue into Friday night. We could see a second disturbance bring us another chance for some rain as we look ahead to Saturday night. As far as rainfall potential, it's kind of feast or famine. Where the storms will be strongest, it does appear as if we could see amounts exceed an inch over the northern half of the Arklatex as you work your way into East Texas, northwest Louisiana. This is where the models vary greatly. Some of the high-res models showing several locations staying totally dry, especially south of Interstate 20. But I would suspect in these areas south of Interstate 20, we'll see totals of a half an inch or less, just based on what most model information is indicating. Futurecast is a bit heavier the way it looks right now. Meantime, longer range, we'll be watching again, the upper level ridge responsible for our recent heat breaking down somewhat, becoming more focused further to the west. That's going to allow that front to move in. That ridge is going to remain focused to our west until we get to the first part of next week. And you can kind of see the center of the ridge right about in here as the upper level winds rotate around the center of that upper level high pressure. As a result, we will be dry probably Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe even Thursday of next week. And then we'll see the ridge become more focused back to the west. So the ridge is going to move to the west, and as that happens, it will allow the chance of rain and a little bit of a cool down to occur towards the end of next week. Now, as far as the tropics, no changes as the National Hurricane Center is still indicating that we will likely see a tropical depression form somewhere over the northwestern Gulf of Mexico or southeastern or northwestern Caribbean or southeastern Gulf of Mexico here in the next few days. It does appear as if that system develops, it will make its way up towards Florida. Here's the Arklatex, so it's not going to play a role in our weather here at home. So your forecast looks like this for tonight here at home, as we are going to be looking at a mostly cloudy sky. Thunderstorms will be on the increase late tonight over the north and northwestern sections of the area. Severe weather will be possible. Damaging winds will be the biggest concern. You can see lows where the thunderstorms arrive will be in the upper 60s. Further to the south, where we will likely stay dry tonight, looking at lows in the lower 70s. Tomorrow, thunderstorms will decrease and become much more scattered, and it won't be as hot tomorrow because we'll see more clouds. Highs will range from the upper 70s, close to 80 over the north, to the low to middle 80s over the southern sections of the area. That includes 79 degrees tomorrow in Texarkana and 84 degrees for the high in Shreveport. 10-day forecast shows the impact of that ridge building back over us as temperatures heat back up into the middle 90s by the first half of next week. Lows back to the 60s for several nights, should warm back up into the low to middle 70s. And again, late next week, we'll see another chance for some rain with, again, a slight cool down as highs return to pretty much normal back down close close to 90 degrees. So again, some strong thunderstorms possible across especially the northern sections of the Arklatex late tonight. Those storms will likely weaken as they move south and east through the area tomorrow.